In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the latest version of Adobe Acrobat to print a selected area of a PDF. Now, this is a really handy trick, especially when you only need a specific part of a document like an important piece of data or a section of an image. So, let's jump right into it. First things first, open up your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. You can do this by simply double-clicking on the file if Acrobat is your default PDF viewer, or by opening Acrobat first and then browsing for the file. Once you've got your document open, we're going to head to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a hamburger menu icon, which is basically three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Go ahead and click that. After you click the icon, you'll see a menu pop up. In this menu, look for the option that says Undo, Redo, and More. Once you click on that, a new set of options appears. What we're interested in here is the Take a Snapshot tool. This tool is crucial because it allows us to select exactly which part of the PDF we want to print. Next, you'll notice your cursor changes into a crosshair. Imagine it like the precision tool of your PDF. You want to use this crosshair to click and drag a rectangle around the area you want to capture. Be sure to be as precise as possible for the best results. Once you've encompassed the area you need, simply release your mouse button. Now this action copies the selected area to your clipboard, ready for the next step. With your area selected and copied, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see a print button there. Click on this button to bring up the print dialog box. It's here that we'll fine-tune our printing options. Within this print dialog box, look for the section labeled Pages to Print. Here you have to select the selected graphic option. This tells Acrobat that you're not interested in printing the entire page or document, just the specific graphic portion you've chosen. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to save on ink or paper by printing only the necessary information. Finally, confirm your printer settings just to make sure everything else is set up exactly how you need it, and then click the Print button. Your printer should now start printing that selected area. It's as simple as that. And there you have it. Now you know how to use Adobe Acrobat to effectively print a selected area of a PDF. Whether you're dealing with reports, images, or any form of documented information, this little trick can certainly make your printing tasks more efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If it has, make sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks on using Adobe Acrobat and other applications.